Energy rates have been falling since 2008, and most clients could bet on a year-over-year cost decrease. With each new supply agreement, their top question was, how much am I saving this year? But now, energy consumers are facing the prospect of a price increase, which has them asking, what do I do? Do you fix all your usage at a higher rate and hope you made the right decision? Or do you switch to a variable rate product and pray for mild weather? In times of market volatility, there's a third option that rises in popularity with electricity users called a block and index product. A block and index product allows you to fix a portion of your electricity usage, leaving your remaining usage to float on a variable rate or to be fixed at a later date. This product allows you to mitigate your risk over time. For example, you could lock 50% of your usage now and watch the market for an opportunity to lock the other half. Or you could fix a third of your usage and layer in several purchases later in the year. This layered approach protects you from making a wrong move and potentially missing out on lower rates in the future. If you're unsure about how to manage your electricity costs during a volatile market, block and index might be a good solution for you. Contact one of our energy advisors to learn more. Nania Energy Advisors. We make energy easy so you can be successful.